Hello everyone. Just want to update on the storm here. Joaquin. It looks like it's moving out to the east as the UK model predicted, but still having some major problems here in the Carolinas. If you notice, the winds changed direction and are now kind of pushing it out to sea a little bit right here, these guys. So might not have an issue out of it, but still want to keep an eye out as it can hit these low pressure winds and then suck it back in. So it can still be dangerous. Now, as far as the Carolinas go, they're having some major issues there. You'll see the gust up to 26 miles an hour, sometimes 30, coming at a southwest way, and severe flooding all in these areas, all through the states. It's been pretty bad for those people. Some historic flooding, they say.
With a target tonight of Charleston, South Carolina. Looks like it's going to be historic flooding in Charleston as that tropical moisture slams against the coastal front that's stalled just offshore. As that moisture is lifted up and over, the cold air at the surface is going to drop in the form of rain, with potentially over 20 inches of rain across Charleston, inland to Columbia, back toward Myrtle Beach, and possibly even into parts.
Okay, so these guys are saying up to 20 inches of rain. That's pretty bad for those people there. We'll take another look here at the map. Yeah, those winds are definitely pushing it back out on keeping it on the coast here. So more potential flooding for the coastal areas. It's not over yet, so you guys hang tough in there, and we're going to keep an eye on Joaquin here and see where it goes. All right, Metal Man out.